So this week, Bobby's been sick with a fever. That's not new. Bobby has the immune system of a Victorian child. What is new is how we've been dealing with it. We're pranking Ruhan. We've been planning little messages for Ruhan to find from Bobby in the closet. They started off with normal advice, like drink water, because he normally ignored that. But we quickly realized our potential.
Hey, Ruhan, can you get me a hammer so I can smash my laptop to pieces?
Sure.
Hey, Ruhan, come look at this.
Bobby's a god.
This week I was at the outreach event at Clemens Crossing. I was also a science fair judge there, but currently what we're working on is assembling the actual robot. So I just finished putting on the base, or I guess I forget what it's called, but we put it onto the robot where the electrical board is. And we're also working on the shooter today, as well as the wheel transfer system that transfers the game pieces into the shooter from the intake system. All right, so what I just finished doing actually recently is you see these bolts right here. I attached them to this board, which contains all the electrical equipment on it. It's upside down right now because they're working on it, but essentially it's just like a plain board. This is where all the electrical stuff goes, so that we have a place to put the components and have everything work properly, and it's organized as well.
Today I worked on cleaning the closet, getting everything organized, making the freshmen sort everything. I love putting the freshmen to work. So the closet's looking better. Things are sorted, and yeah. So over here we have the basic mech hardware. If we back up a little bit, we have all the electrical stuff. We have our tools in this cabinet. Just gonna put that there.
So, what I've been doing lately is I've been just finishing up the CAD for Climb, and I've been collecting all the parts needed for Climb. So what I've been doing is just sort of collecting all the parts needed for Climb. You can see that they are all right here. You can see we've just been notating, and yeah. No! Don't eat that! You'll thank me later.
Alright, so this week we have started wiring up the robot because our drivetrain is all set, and we're just focused on getting things organized and ready. Alright, so as you can see, we have started to wire this stuff up right here. We have some soldering stuff that we did, and then we already connected everything up, made everything organized, and assembled it below this plate.
So today on the software sub-team, we've been working on getting the BunnyBots robot from last year, working with the new wiring that the electrical team just finished up. Over the last week, we've actually been focusing on writing our subsystems. That's the code for running mechanisms for our robot this year. So our software team members have been working with the mechanical team members to figure out what motors, what other outputs, and what sensors we have on the robot in the CAD, and then we're taking that to the code and putting it all together. So here we are in the workshop. We have Ethan on our software sub-team. We've got our code laptop and our driver laptop, and I'm going to show you what we've been working on today. So this is the BunnyBots robot from our off-season game. If I enable it, you can see these flywheels are being run by these motors right here that we had to reconfigure today. And then let's just do a test. Ta-da, that's it.
Well, it's been a long ride.